So do you want to know how you can use TikTok to massively grow your business and get thousands of visitors to your website and to your funnels? Guys, I've been using TikTok just for the past few months and it has massively grown my business, my email list. I've been getting tons of sales by using this platform. I'm going to show you some examples here before we get into the video. Check it out, guys. So here's my bit.ly right here. You can see in the past few months, 15,000 website visitors here. And then I just added a new link about a month ago. So you can see another 6,000 visitors using TikTok. And not only that, I've been able to grow my YouTube channel by 1,000 people in the last month. You can see here, last 28 days, my YouTube channel has grown to almost 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. And not only that, I've been able to grow my affiliate marketing business like crazy. So let me just show you one of my income streams here. You can see 1 month here, over $8,000 here. And this is just one of my 20 income streams. I have over 20 income streams paying me for my affiliate marketing business, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how we can use TikTok to massively grow your business. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to use TikTok for your business, how to use YouTube for your business, and of course, how to do affiliate marketing. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income so I can help you achieve financial freedom. Guys, if you don't know who I am, I worked as an electrical engineer for 5 years. I hated it. I didn't love what I was doing. And I started my affiliate marketing in May of 2019. And I was able to quit my job to do this full-time March 2020. That's my story. I want to help you guys do the same. That's the goal of my channel. So if you guys want to learn more, if you want to learn how you can do this as well, please subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's go ahead and get started. So the questions I'm going to be answering in this video are, why should you use TikTok to grow your business? How will we be growing your following? What's the main strategy? And then how will you actually be making money with TikTok, right? A lot of people think TikTok is just for kids, or, you know, my demographic is not there. My perfect audience isn't there. So I'm going to answer all your questions in this video, and I'm going to show you exactly my framework on how I get thousands and thousands of visitors to my website, okay? Now, I do want to show you this real quick. Here's my profile right here, okay? So I just hit 50,000 followers, which is really cool. But the most important thing, right, is I'm driving traffic. I'm building my email list. So I just want to show you my email list here. I've been able to grow my email list by almost 100 leads a day. You can see I almost have 15,000 people here in my get response. Let's see, you can see it right here. Almost 15,000 people on my email list, which, as you know, if you have an online business, that's the most important part of growing a business, right, is having that list, right? Now, not only that, I've been able to grow like crazy, but I've been able to get over 2 million, almost 2 million views in the last 28 days using TikTok, with over 50,000 profile views. Now I'm going to show you why this is important here in a little bit and why you need to pay attention to some of these analytics, okay? Now let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how you need to do this, okay? So obviously you need to download the app TikTok. The first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to set up your profile, okay? Remember I showed you I had over 54,000 profile visits. This is really important, okay? Because when people go to your TikTok account, they're going to see your profile. Now, there's a few things that you need to set up, right? You need to have a nice profile picture. You need to have you know, your username set up, so that's something you need to do right away. That's fairly easy to do. And then, of course, your name if you want that. But what I want you to figure out here is your actual bio, okay? Because people will go to your bio. As you can see in my analytics, over 54,000 people visit my profile. Now, most people that I coach, most people that I audit, their profile bio is not set up properly, okay? Now, the reason you need to set this up properly is because you have to give people a reason to follow you, okay? A reason for them to subscribe to you, to go to your links, stuff like that, right? So I have a framework that I use for me and for all my clients, okay? This works every single time, okay? It's called the 3 Ps or the 3 Ws, okay? You've probably heard the 3 Ws more. You know, I talk about that a lot in my other videos. But basically, you want to answer 3 questions, okay? who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you, right? What can you do to help them, okay? And that's basically what you need to answer. Now, in your bio, I think you only get 80 characters. You don't get that much, okay? So what I'm trying to answer here is who I am, right? So I'm a six-figure affiliate marketer. And that's what I do. I'm an affiliate marketer, and why I can help them or why they should follow me, how can I help them solve a problem, is I'm helping you leave the 9 to 5, right? That's basically why they should follow me. Now, when they go to my profile, they can also see certain things, like they can go follow my YouTube channel, or they can click the link, right? So I have these arrows pointed. Now, you can't see it in here, but basically TikTok allows you to add your YouTube channel links, your Instagram, and then once you get 1,000 followers, they let you start adding a link. Okay, that's why I have start here. But basically, you still need to answer these 3 questions, whether or not you have a link in your bio yet. Okay. Now, once you get your profile set up, the next thing to do, guys, is you need to get a pro account. A pro account is really important because now you can track your analytics, right? So if you go to my analytics here, I can see my video views for the last 28 days, my followers. It'll tell me, you can see like how many followers you're getting per day. So you can see here, 2.6 thousand. Let me zoom up here. Right here, so 2.6 thousand followers gained this day, 1,000 followers. So I'm almost gaining 1,000 followers a day, as you can see, which is insane. My TikTok account is just massively growing. Just you can see in the last 7 days, it's just been spiking up, which is just insane. But what I like to see here is all these stats, right? All the profile views, okay? The more profile views I get, typically the more people go to my links, right? They have to go to my profile to go to my links, right? They either go to my website link or my YouTube channel or my Instagram, right? One of those 3 things. But basically with the analytics, you can see all this information, right? Really, really important. You can also see trending videos on your account, right? You can see which ones are doing the best, right? So you can see this one right here has 178,000 views. And this is trending on my account, okay? So you can see what type of content is trending. You can also see the followers, like your gender, where they're from, United States. You can see, what time of the day they're at, so you know the best time to post, stuff like that. So it's vital that you have a pro account, okay? Now, it's very easy to do. All you got to do is to go to manage my account and then switch to pro account. This is free, and you must have that so you can go ahead and get that access to TikTok analytics, okay? Now, then that's the second thing you need to do. The third thing, guys, is you just got to start getting followers, okay? So phase 1, I always talk about the first 1,000 followers, okay? This is the most important part, and this is the hardest part, okay? Because it's hard to get your first 1,000 followers. But once you get that 1,000 followers, you get the snowball effect, which means you start growing at an exponential rate, as you can see in my analytics, right? So you start growing faster. And then basically you have the ability to go live. You can go live on TikTok. And then the most important part for me is you have a link in your bio. As a business, as an affiliate marketer, I want to have that link. That way I can drive people to that link. And then from there, they can go buy my affiliate offers, my coaching, whatever it is I have to offer, right? Whatever business you have. Now, TikTok works for any business. I've seen it work for lawyers. I've seen it work for doctors. I've seen it work for dentists, affiliate marketing, of course, anything online. Guys, TikTok literally works for any business that you can think of. So don't think of TikTok as just for little kids. This platform is extremely powerful. As you can see, I showed you the proof. I've been able to grow my email list, my YouTube channel. My income is growing massively. So guys, look at TikTok as a massive opportunity, okay? But what I want you to know here is that first 1,000 followers is the hardest because you have to gain that authority, okay? So that's phase 1. Now, if you can get the link in your bio, I do have a method to do it without it, but I'll show you that here in a little bit. Okay, so the next thing, guys, is content creation, okay? So obviously you got to start creating content. So that's something I do a lot. So you can see here, I try to post at least 3 times a day, if not even 10 times a day. A lot of the times I'm just posting things that I see, right? If I see something that is going viral, if I see something trending, then I definitely will hop on the trend. Of course, I'll put my own spin on it for my own business, right? So you can take a trend that's in another niche like health and wellness or like a comedy thing. You can take that and use it for your business. You can use the same sound, the same hashtag. So basically just follow the people you like and model what they're doing and use it for your business, okay? So you can see a lot of the posts, I'm doing a lot of the trendy stuff, but this is what does well on TikTok, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how this works here in a little bit. Now, if we go back to my slides here, I want you to create 3 to 10 posts a day, okay? This is when you're just in massive growth mode, okay? If you have time, do 10 posts a day. If you don't have as much, at least get 3 times a day, okay? But TikTok posts aren't hard to do once you kind of get it. Like, it's really easy to do 10 posts a day. Now, what I recommend is doing it all in like 30 minutes to an hour. Just sit down and do it all. What you can do is you can draft your posts, meaning you don't have to post them all at once. You can post them throughout the day, okay? That's something I do. I'll basically film all my content within 30 minutes to an hour, and I'll have 10 to 20 posts for the day or for the next few days, okay? It's a little tip there. Now, your video should have these 3 essential elements, okay? If you understand how these work, then you'll grow an account on your TikTok, your YouTube, Instagram. It doesn't really matter. If you understand these 3 things, then you'll be able to grow on any platform, okay? And it's these 3 things that are the hook, the story, or the offer, okay? So if you can add those 3 things, then you're basically going to grow any account, okay? And I've been able to grow multiple accounts for me, for my clients, my wife, my sister's accounts. I do one-on-one coaching as well. I've been able to help them grow their TikTok accounts because I know how to grow an account, right? It doesn't matter what niche, it doesn't matter what they're it doesn't matter what they're trying to create as long as you have these 3 elements, right? So the hook, okay, that's probably the most important part, okay, the first element, and that's the hook, right? How can you get someone to stop scrolling and watch your content, right? So a hook can be anything, right? It can be like you jumping out of the bushes. It can be a text, like a controversial text. You can see here a lot of the times, like this one right here was very controversial. Let me see if I can find it here. This was about, right here. So 311,000 views. Okay. So all I said was don't go to college and waste time. Okay. So I was talking about, you don't have to go to college. You can just do, you can start your online business, and it sparked a lot of controversial comments, but a lot of people, were just, you had your haters and you had your people on your side, then you had the neutral people. It doesn't really matter. The goal is to get someone to stop scrolling and to get people to engage, okay? So something like this is a really good hook. As you can see, I have over 300,000 views on this, right? Let's find another one here. Let's take a look. This one, I'm actually coming out of the bushes. And then I'm like, basically the hook, guys, is getting someone to stop, okay? So think of the hook as getting someone to stop. And then from there is the second element, right? Is the story or the value, okay? So you're either telling them a story or you're giving them some sort of value, right? So for me, it's more of the value part of it. So I'm teaching them something, right? I'm teaching them how to do affiliate marketing or how to create a website or how to do YouTube or how to do TikTok, right? That's what I teach, so I give them some sort of value. And then at the end of it, guys, it's really important that you have an offer or a call to action, okay? A call to action could be, hey, go click the link in my bio. Hey, go to my YouTube channel. Hey, go to my Instagram. Message me on Instagram. Hey, go comment down below. Hey, like this video. Anything like that is going to be a call to action, okay? Now, with your content creation, I want you to add 3 things, okay? I want you to add a sound, a caption, and hashtags, okay? That's all you need to worry about for now. You can add editing later. I'm not going to go into that as much, okay? But what I want you to do, if I go to any of these videos, you'll notice that all my videos have a sound. So basically a sound like this. So this is just a random sound that I found. I saw those going viral. So I'm using the sound, but I have a caption here. And then I have my my hashtags, okay? Now, with my hashtags, I do have, I talk about the algorithm in another video, but basically you want to shoot for hashtags that are not as viewed as much, right? When you're first starting out, you want to go for those longer tail hashtags that not like, not something like hashtag marketing or hashtag love or hashtag for you page, right? Those are the ones that are extremely, extremely competitive. So you want to use something that is not as competitive. So I talked about that more in my video on the algorithm. So go check that out. I go deep into how the algorithm works and stuff like that. But don't worry about that now. For now, I want you to add those 3 things, okay? A sound, a caption, and a hashtag, okay? I want you to create 3 to 10 posts a day when you're first starting out. Now, the last thing is, how are we actually making money, right? How do we actually get people to go to a link that we want them to go to go to our Instagram? How are we making money, right? So that is basically I mean, if you have a business, you know, you have a website, that's easy, right? You just get them to go to your website. Now, if you don't have a business, I do have a video on how you can do affiliate marketing with TikTok. Now, what I do, guys, is affiliate marketing, okay? The main goal is to get them to this website here, where then I have multiple offers, okay? Hey, go to this course that I'm affiliated for. Go to this product here, okay? Affiliate marketing is cool because you don't have to have you don't have to own a product. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to have a team, anything like that, okay? So for me, I get people to these affiliate offers, and I'm making a ton of money, guys, like over 20,000 a month, like on the low end, okay? So I mean, I want you to kind of think about how to do affiliate marketing. If you don't know how to do it, I do have a link in the bio that's going to teach you how to do it. So if you need to learn how to do that, that's going to be linked down below. It's going to take you through a 15-day challenge on how you can start doing affiliate marketing. But basically, guys, you find an offer and you send them to that offer and they buy, okay? Really, really simple. I mean, basically, it's simple, but it's not easy because people think they can get rich overnight, but what I'm saying is this is the easiest way to make money, okay? You send them to an offer that you don't own, right? But you still get a commission. Now, if you're doing this just for your business, then obviously you send them to your business account. Now, a lot of people ask me, well, I don't have 1,000 followers. I don't have a link in my bio. How can I get them to still click? There's a few things you can do, right? What I used to do is I'm like, hey guys, if you want my product, DM me on Instagram and I'll send you the link, right? So it's getting people from TikTok to Instagram, and then from there you can send them your website link or whatever it is, right? You can also add a short bit.ly link on your actual video, okay? This is something I did when I first started a long time ago. I don't know if I have that anymore, but basically what I would do is I would add the link in like with text, okay? Now they would have to stop and type that in, which is harder, but that's what you can do when you're first starting out, right? I don't know if I have that. I don't know which, I don't know if I have that right here, but basically, I'm not going to have that. It's been a while, but basically what I used to do, guys, I'm like, hey, go to this link here, and then it would be a really short link where they can type it in and they would go, and it would work, guys. It would work until I got 1,000 followers, okay? Now, of course, it's easier once you have the link, but you can still get people to DM me on Instagram or to stop the video and type that in, right? So it's really, really simple to do that. Now, that's basically how you get people to do something with the call to action, right? It's really important that you have a call to action, okay? So DM me on Instagram, or go to this link here, or the link's in my bio, or go to my YouTube channel, right? Those are the things you need to start thinking about, okay? Now, I do have a video on how to do affiliate marketing using TikTok. If you guys want to check that out, it's going to be on my YouTube channel. It should be, I think I posted about a month ago. It's been one of my more popular videos. But yeah, guys, that's basically how you do everything as far as using TikTok for business. If you guys have any questions, please shoot me a message on Facebook, Instagram. Comment down below if you guys have any questions on this video. But what I want you guys to understand is TikTok is extremely powerful, guys. TikTok has been blowing up my business like insane, okay? My email list, my sales, my YouTube channel, my Instagram's growing. Like, it's literally just grown my business more than I ever thought. So I want you guys to take advantage of this platform while it's still hot, okay? Not sure how long this is going to last, but the organic reach is just insane with TikTok. So if you guys have any questions on that, please reach out to me, guys. And please subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm posting videos almost every single day on how you can make money online, affiliate marketing, anything like that. So let me know if you have any questions, and God bless.